Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex Hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba, and today, guys, I have some great news. I'll be sharing with you the strategy that I found, a strategy that you can be able to scalp on a 15-minute, 5-minute, but most importantly, you will be able to understand the strategy and seeing that it has a high win rate on a 15-minute time frame. So that it simply means that you can be able to trade with ease and make profits. But let's not forget, click the like, click subscribe, and the notification bell so that you keep on supporting and being part of the family on this channel. So let's go. Okay, I'm on the charts now, guys. I'll be showing you with one of the most stubborn pair, which is the Japanese Swiss franc. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys how you can be able to capitalize and also how you can be able to manage your trades and make sure that you guys are actually making profits. This is a high win rate strategy proven 100 times on 15 minutes time frame. So I kid you not, make sure you take notes, make sure you are able to understand what I'm sharing with you guys. So let's start with understanding the big picture, which is you only see it on a higher time frame where you can be able to make use of the daily chart, or you can use the weekly chart. But I prefer using the daily chart because it's much more manageable and you can be able to trade with ease, unlike dealing with small candles whereby on a weekly time frame you'll be dealing with less candles. So in a sense that in a one weekly candle you'll be dealing with 5 daily candles. So that gives you a little bit of what? Of information. So looking at this, remember the simplest thing that you need to do is identifying the trend. Before you go any further, learn to identify the trend. Go with the trend. But always remember that you can be able to spot your what? Your higher highs and higher lows, and your lower highs and your lower highs. So let's look at this. Looking at this, I see here we had what? We had a little bit of a, oops, okay, let me delete this. We had what? This as a what? As a downtrend. Okay. So are we done with the downtrend, or we simply going back to the what? To the uptrend, or we still pushing further to the downside? Okay, let me see. Looking at this, if I look at this way, I can see, let me zoom out. I can safely say that we are still in a uptrend. Yes, here we had this downtrend. This was the downtrend here. But I see now it seems like we are having a chance to push further up. But before we push further up, we have to look at what is currently happening. You see this move. So what I'm going to try to do, this one, I'm not going to take it too much. We're going to treat it like this. Okay. And if I treat it like this, I can take this. What is happening? Okay. If I treat it like this, because this is the high now. So we have to work with what we have currently. Then I'm going to take this, see, voila. Then you can also take this into consideration because why? This was a uptrend. Then you can do this. Okay, fine. So now we are trying to identify what is currently happening. Okay, fine. Now we can see that what we are actually not pushing to the upside. We are what? We are pushing to the downside. So let's go inside for our, remember this is a 15-minute scalping start, but we have to start understanding from the bigger picture. Okay, fine. On for our IC, we broke this trend. Then this is our channel, which was uptrend. So you can see the bigger one. We had what? Let me try to change the colors. Okay. Let's use red. Red. You can see the red channel. We have the red channel and we have the yellow channel. I'll change this one as well to what? This is the, let me just say orange. As you can see, I changed this one to orange and this one as well to orange. Okay. Fine. So looking at what is currently happening, you can see we have the orange channel, which was the uptrend, and we have the red channel, which is the, this one is a little bit, let's try use light color. Okay, no, it's fine. Red channel, downtrend, orange channel, uptrend, yellow channel, uptrend, but now it is broken. So we can see that I can safely say this can be our main channel currently. We're still in a what? In a downtrend. But you have to be careful where we're gonna end. Remember, I said don't marry the trend lines. So let's look at what is gonna happen. So I like to use the yellow for the main channels. So this one, I'll just use it for the channel that is completed. Calculate is okay, green. Yes, let's use green. Green. Green, and then use red for others. Green. Okay, fine. So now I'm on 4 hours. Then let me go to 1 hour. Fine. I see that our channel currently is the downtrend, which is the yellow one. So don't marry this trend line. Let me write it. Guys, don't marry trend lines. Don't marry trend lines. I'm referring to this. We can have a situation whereby the movement goes like this, oops, what is happening now? Then breaks this, comes. And then that being said, you'll have a situation whereby this, you find that is being touched here. You understand? So don't marry this trend, but also take into account that we can have a situation like this. Understand? Push. Understand? And we break. So always look for those scenarios. Okay. So currently, what are we looking at? What is the market telling us? We broke out of this. We broke the uptrend. Now we are what? We are in a downtrend. Okay, 120, 2 hours. Okay, now I see it. And then now, if I go to 15 minutes, let me go to 30 minutes. All these time frames are very much important. Make sure you use them. Okay, now I can see we're having what? A double top, a sign again that we are pushing where? To the downside. So, okay. Fine. This is what I'm looking for. Should we break? When we break, gonna sell. And then your stop loss will be above this point. Understand? That's what you'll be looking at. That's how we're gonna sell this one. So the very same thing that I showed you, you need to go and practice it. Let's look now. Look what happened here. You see this one pushed here. You sell, you break, you put your stop loss above there. Okay, you can see it's a correction. So let's look at the other one. You can see here we had multiple touches. You could see that the market was failing to break this point. 1, 2, 3, fourth touch when the market pushed way to the upside. You can see here it broke but came to retest what this zone. So always make sure that you can see. Let me do it like this. You see the market here, it pushed, broke, and then it came back to retest what? This order block. So we know that we're gonna sell, we're gonna buy here because what? This is the order block, the last bearish candle before this movement. So you can see this movement was very much significant. This is how it went. See? Okay. Another one will be this one. I want to show you because many people ask me, how do you catch it? You see this one, you have this, and also you can make use of your fee to say, how will I know? You can see it here, this one, it's above what? The 50%. Obviously, I would expect the market to come here, understand? But you can make use of this to just give you an indication of where this will be pushing, understand? So you can have something like this, and then when you see that, yes, it's starting to respect this order block, we buy to the upside. So make sure you are able to understand this 15 minutes strategy and apply it. You'll be making profits. Thank you for tuning in. It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex Hero. Peace.